Welcome to Learn English Daily.
Two friends meeting conversation.
Hey, are you free this weekend?
Yes. Why?
I was thinking we could go to the beach.
That sounds great. Which beach?
Maybe Negombo Beach.
Good idea. How will we go?
We can take the train.
What time does the train leave?
Around 8 in the morning.
That's fine. Should we take foods with us?
Yes, I'll bring sandwiches.
One can bring some drinks.
Perfect. Don't forget sunscreen.
I won't. What about swimming clothes?
Yes, bring them. We can swim there.
Do we need to book tickets early?
No, we can buy them at the station.
Okay. What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 7:30 at the station.
Agreed. How long will we stay?
Until evening.
Sounds good. I'm excited already.
Me too. It will be fun.
All right. See you on Saturday.
Comment your answers to the questions.
Question 1. Where do the friends want to go? Question 2. How will they travel to the beach?